It's finished, baby P. Yeah, mommy, stop talking. Oh, you like mommy talking, don't you? Oh, okay.
You want me to start the movie again, baby Pedro?
Yeah, start the movie again.
You want me to start the movie again, Pedro? There we go, it's going again. Oh, so you're going to go to sleep instead.
You sleep with your one eye open, aren't you, Pedro? Okay, I'll let you sleep now. That's enough.
This is the hard way to find sapphires.
Hey, Pedro. Are you sleepy now, baby P? Hey, Pedro going sleepy now. Oh, you're going to sleep there with one leg. Okay, so we leave you there now. Okay, sleepy.